you're looking to replace your old BT Redcare alarm monitoring service for a new IP-based service, here's our quick guide to alternatives. The first thing to understand is that your old Redcare monitoring was connected to a PSTN telephone line, meaning that it won't work on new IP-based connections. There are a number of alternatives to Redcare alarm monitoring to choose from. CSL Dual Com, also known as GradeShift Pro. This is the perfect option if you require a dual path system with GSM backup. AMCO LiveTalk. This is the perfect solution if you want an audio monitoring system. CSL Dual Com, GradeShift Pro. The GradeShift Pro is a dual path system, meaning that there are two communication channels, for example internet and GSM. This means that if there's internet failure, the system will automatically switch to GSM. GradeShift Pro is also a DP rated system, including DP3 and DP4 grades, meaning that it's suitable for Grade 3 alarm monitoring scenarios. The system also includes catastrophic failure reporting, meaning that the alarm receiving center is notified in the case of both channels failing. AMCO LiveTalk. LiveTalk is an audio confirmation system, meaning that the alarm monitoring operators can listen and talk into your property when there's an activation. If you need any help or want to move to AMCO's alarm monitoring service, please contact our team via email or via phone.